Two bridges in Wyman Park between the communities of Hampton and Remington are in need of repair. Several nearby current and proposed projects may require construction traffic to cross these bridges. Are these bridges capable of bearing the gross weights of cranes, loaded flatbeds, concrete mixers, and dump trucks? Until the bridges are repaired, should they have weight restrictions? The Remington Avenue Bridge spans 40 feet over the walking path next to Stony Run. The existing bridge dates from 1961, and its last major renovation was in 1983. Two stone retaining walls with cement buttresses support the bridge's 40-foot span. The underside of the bridge shows water seepage, cracks in the support beams, exposed areas of rusted rebar within the slabs of cement, a corroded and delaminating I-beam, and exposed patches of crumbling bricks. The stone block retaining walls are bowed in places, and many blocks show open mortar joints. The southeast section of the bridge rests on a large crack in the retaining wall. Many areas collect water which freezes, expands, and causes further damage. The Baltimore City Department of Transportation has requested funds for fiscal year 2025 to do some repairs on this bridge. Will it be safe for heavy trucks to cross the bridge before the work is completed? The Wyman Park Drive Bridge spans approximately 200 feet over Stony Run and the parkland below. It was built in 1920, and the last major renovation was in 1960. Seeping water throughout the bridge has frozen and expanded cracks in the cement. Chunks of concrete have fallen away. An October 2022 inspection stated, quote, "The stream bank is beginning to slump. River control devices and embankment have widespread minor damage." End quote. 2 years later, we can see that periodic flooding of Stony Run has caused shifts in the boulders that support the eastern footing of the bridge. One boulder has visibly moved away a foot or so. Also, water has eroded a horizontal stretch of ground and seems to be undermining part of the eastern footing. Each flood of Stony Run changes the stream bed and appears to take away more support from the eastern section of the bridge. The upper roadway is flanked by crumbling and cracked cement walls. Open joints collect water which then seeps through the cement structure of the bridge. Are both of these bridges capable of bearing the gross weights of trucks with cranes, loaded flatbeds, concrete mixers, and dump trucks for current and proposed nearby construction projects? Are weight restrictions needed?